Hello students, today I will start reasoning aptitude test 2. Let's see the question number 1. Student, governor is the first person of the state. Similarly, in a country, who is the first person? First person will be president. So which option will be right? Option number B. Let's see the second question. Teacher is here and you can see teacher's spelling is Teacher. Now in the this part you can see its opposite words are here. You can see R is here in the last position, similarly R is here in the first position, then E, then H, then C, then A, then E, then T. Similarly, what will be the value of the build? So we have to start from D, means D will be in the first letter, then second letter will be L, then third letter will be I, fourth will be U, and fifth will be B. So which option will be right? B. Similarly, let's see the question number 3. B, D, F. That means B, after B you have to left one letter, then D will come, then you have to left one letter, then F will come. After F, G will be missing, H, then I is missing, J, then K is missing, L. Similarly, N, O is missing, P, Q is missing, R, then R, after the R, S will come, but S we have to left, that means T, V and X should be here. So which option will be right? Option number A. Let's see the next question. Student, P means plus, Q means minus, R means multiply and R means divide. Students, you can see here two R's value are given. So maybe this question we can't solve. So please left this question. That means there is no need to complete the question number 4. Let's see the question number 5. 18 is here, 8 is here. 18 minus 8, then we can get 10. Similarly, 7 minus 3, we can get 4. And 16 minus 10, that means we can get 6. So according to this, which option will be right? C option. Let's see the next question. AB, then 2 letters missing here. Then BAA, then again 2 letters are missing here. Then AB, then 1 letter is missing here. Student, when we apply the option number A here, that means here you have to put A, then here again you have to put A, then here you have to put B, then here you have to put A, then here you have to put A. Then you can find what similarities will come here. ABA, 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 ABA. Then this value will be found. So according to this, which option will be right? Option number A. Let's see the question number 7. Students, you have to find out its mirror image. As you know that earlier I explained you about the mirror image. Student, only right and left direction will be changed in the mirror image. So when we see this image in the mirror, we can find only option number A. That means which option will be right? This option. Now I hope you are able to complete the aptitude test 2. Thank you.